everyone, this is MATHit School. Today I am going to show you how to solve this question really easy and really fast without having to deal with complicated math. Now a lot of you, most of you actually, don't know that there's a formula that you can use. Now I'm going to show you how to use that formula in order to solve this question without a calculator in a very short amount of time. Now, if you know how to solve this question, then pause this video and go ahead, solve this question without a calculator and put your answer into the comment section below. If you don't know how to solve this question, well, don't worry, I'm gonna show you step by step how to solve this question using this formula, and I will get started right now. So 2 plus square root of 18, and you are squaring that expression. Now, a lot of you will try to compute what's 2 plus square root of 18. Well, before that, do I have to simplify the square root of 18 and then add 2 and then square it? What should I do? Well, don't worry, because there is a formula that you can use to simplify this process. Now, if you know the formula that goes like this, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you know this formula, then this problem becomes really easy. Now, you might have already noticed that this expression is in the form of a plus b squared, with a being 2 and b being square root of 18. So what we need to do is plug in 2 in place of a and square root of 18 in place of b, and just compute that and figure out what that is equal to. So let's go ahead and do that. So I am going to write a squared plus, 2ab plus b squared, and then in place of a, I am going to plug in value of 2, and in place of b, I am going to plug in square root of 18. It's that easy. Now, let's go ahead and plug in those numbers and see what we get. Now that is going to equal 2 squared plus 2 times 2 times square root of 18 plus square root of 18 squared. Now, if we solve this, then we're going to be done. 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 2 times square root of 18 will equal 4 square root of 18 plus 18 square root of 18 squared will equal to 18. Now, let's go ahead and move things a little bit. Let's move this up. Actually, I'm just going to erase this part and move it up and continue solving. Now, I am going to combine these integer terms together to simplify. That is going to give me 22 plus 4 square root of 18. Now, this is not going to be my final answer, as square root of 18 is not in its simplest form. So I'm going to go ahead and take that number 18, break it down to 9 and 3. So 18 is equal to 2 times 3 squared. So square root of 18 is equal to square root of 2 times 3 squared, which is equal to, so in this case, 3 can escape the square root sign as 3. Now, 3 squared can escape the square root sign as 3. 2 has to stay in because it's single. So that's going to equal to 3 square root of 2. So I'm going to replace this square root of 18 with 3 square root of 2. And in this case, if I do that, I get 22 plus 4 times 3 square root of 2. 22 plus 12 square root of 2. And that's going to be my final answer right here. So I can safely say 2 plus square root of 18 squared is equal to 22 plus 12 square root of 2. Now that was way easier than trying to add those two numbers together and squaring it. If you don't have a calculator, well, applying this formula was pretty much the only way that you could solve this question. Now, if you want to learn more tricks and tips like this and practice with more problems and see my video solutions, you can always access them by visiting my website at MATHit.school, where you can see my worksheets and video solutions to each and every problem that's on my worksheet in subject areas like these by clicking this Enroll Now button right here. If this video helped you in any way, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, share this video with your friends and family. Now, thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!